So this is week 57, Friday, number 2, and it says, as shown in the figure, area of ABC equals 5, A equals ED, BD, and BD equals 2 over 3 BC. Find the shaded area. So we can see that. Let's mark these areas as A, B, C, and D. So from the proportion that BD, from this, we see that, change this to like, we see that A, sorry, we see that A plus B equals 2 times C plus D. Because the height's the same, but the base is doubled. And so we find that A also equals B because their height is the same. Their height, meaning this one, is the same, and their bases are same from A equals ED. So A equals B. And so from this, let's divide this. Let's draw EC. And we can find that because the area is 5, then that means that ADB has an area of 5 times 2 over 3. Because ABD is 2 over 3, the area of ABC, and that equals to 10 over 3. And so then A equals 5 over 3, and B also equals 5 over 3, because they're equal. And since we know they're equal, we also find that BED and EDC are like BDE is 2 times EDC because the base is 2 times. So that means that this part over here is equal to 5. Okay, you can't see that. Is equal to 5 over 6, which is 5 over 3 divided by 2. We can also see that AE, if we draw another line here, that AFE is equal to DEF because they're the same base and the same height. And so we see that over here. And so we can see that we can also see that FDC is half the area of FDB. So, and we can actually remove the red line. So we know that FDC is half the area of FBD. And so that means that and we also know that let's label this as B. And we also know that FED equals C from our previous thing. And so that means that BFC equals to B plus C plus 1 over 2 times B plus C because it's half the area. And we know that AFB just equals B plus C. And so the proportion would just be, because they have the same height, FC to AF which is equal to 3 over 2 b plus c over b plus c, which equals 3 over 2. And we also know that the combined area of FEC is just 5. That means that 5 over 6, because this is 5 or 6. This is 5 over 6, and then this is 5 over 6, 5 over 6, and then that means the AEC is 5 over 6. So 5 over 6 times 2 over 5 equals 2 over 6, or 1 over 3. And so 1 over 3 is the area of AFE, because the proportion of this to this is 2 to 3. So the areas are 2 to 3 because they have the same height. And so the answer is just 1 over 3, which is C. We should put the green. So 1 over 3 plus 5 over 3 is just 2. And that's our answer, because it's just B plus C.